Lexus has built a reputation for being practically bulletproof. Comfort, luxury, and reliability that outlives the loan. Some models will run past 300,000 miles on the original engine. Others look just as good on the lot, but quietly drain your wallet as the miles climb. In this video, we'll rank the 7 best used Lexus models to buy. So let's get into it. Coming in at number 7, the Lexus NX. This is the model for the buyer who wants modern technology, a compact footprint, and Lexus dependability without paying for a brand new car. The NX launched in 2015, and for the used market, it's one of the most sensible entry points into the brand. Under the hood, you've got 2 main paths. The NX 200T, later renamed the NX 300, uses a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 235 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, predictable shifts. Fuel economy lands around 22 city and 28 highway. If you want efficiency, the NX 300 Hybrid returns over 30 miles per gallon combined, with the bulletproof hybrid system Toyota and Lexus have refined for 2 decades. According to Consumer Reports, the NX scores consistently above average for reliability, and owners regularly report passing 150,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. On safety, the NX earned strong IIHS crash scores across its run, making it a confident pick for families and commuters alike. Expect to pay between $18,000 and $28,000, depending on mileage and trim. A solid, modern, low-risk used Lexus to start the list. At number 6, the Lexus IS, the brand's compact sports sedan and the choice for the driver who wants engagement without sacrificing reliability. This is where Lexus shows it can build something fun. The IS came in 2 main flavors. The IS 250 uses a 2.5-liter V6, making 204 horsepower, smooth but modest. The one enthusiasts chase is the IS 350, with its 3.5-liter V6 producing 306 horsepower, capable of 0 to 60 in the mid-5-second range. Both are rear-wheel drive in standard form, with available all-wheel drive on the IS 250. The 6-speed automatic is durable and refined. Here's what matters for a used buyer. The 2nd-generation IS, built from 2006 to 2013, is widely regarded as one of the most reliable sports sedans of its era. According to multiple ownership surveys, these engines routinely surpass 300,000 miles when maintained. The IS 350's 2GR FSE V6 in particular has a reputation for exceptional durability. You can find clean examples between $12,000 and $20,000. Genuine driving enjoyment with Lexus longevity. Coming in at number 5, the Lexus ES 350. Quite possibly the most sensible used luxury sedan money can buy. If your priority is comfort, low running costs, and the kind of reliability you can set and forget, this is your car. The ES350 is built on the same proven platform as the Toyota Camry, but with a quieter cabin, softer ride, and genuine luxury appointments. Power comes from a 3.5-liter V6 making 268 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic. It returns an impressive 21 city and 31 highway miles per gallon, excellent for a full-sized luxury sedan. And because it shares so much with the Camry, parts are cheap and any competent mechanic can service it. According to J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, the 6th-generation ES from 2013 onward ranks among the most dependable vehicles in the entire luxury class, not just for Lexus. Owners frequently report 250,000 miles or more with only routine maintenance. On safety, the ES earned top marks from IIHS throughout this generation. For those shopping used, the 2016 to 2018 model years are widely considered the sweet spot, with updated styling, improved infotainment, and the latest safety tech as standard. The years to be cautious with are the 2013 launch models, where a small number of owners reported minor infotainment and software issues. Budget roughly $16,000 to $26,000. With high reliability ratings and a comfortable, refined interior, the ES350 remains a popular choice for those looking for a dependable luxury sedan that simply does not break. At number 4, the Lexus LX 470, and this is where we move into legend territory. The LX 470 is, mechanically, a Toyota Land Cruiser wearing a tuxedo. That single fact is why it earns its place on this list. Power comes from a 4.7-liter V8 producing 230 to 275 horsepower depending on year, mated to a stout automatic transmission and full-time four-wheel drive. Fuel economy is its weak point. Expect mid-teens combined. But what you're buying is a body-on-frame SUV engineered to survive conditions most vehicles never see. These trucks were built for the Australian outback and African expeditions, then given leather, wood, and a quiet cabin. According to long-term reliability data and the broader Land Cruiser community, the LX 470's 2UZ FE V8 is one of the most durable engines ever produced. It is genuinely common to see these vehicles cross 300,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. That is not marketing, that is documented ownership history. The most desirable years are 2003 to 2007, after Lexus added variable valve timing, more power, and updated electronics. The one thing to budget for is suspension. The LX uses a height control air suspension system, and repairs can run $1,500 or more if neglected. Pricing varies widely, from $15,000 for a high-mileage example to $35,000 for a pristine late model. Coming in at number 3, the vehicle that built Lexus into a household name, the RX 350. The RX is the best-selling Lexus of all time, and on the used market, that means abundant inventory, affordable parts, and a deep track record of reliability data to learn from. The RX 350 is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 producing around 270 horsepower, paired with a smooth automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. It returns roughly 18 city and 25 highway. This is the quintessential, comfortable, quiet, no-drama luxury crossover. The one that made buyers realize they didn't need a German SUV to feel pampered. According to Consumer Reports and J.D. Power, the third-generation RX from 2010 to 2015 earns top-tier reliability scores year after year. The 2GR FE V6 in this generation is renowned for durability, with owners regularly reporting 200,000 to 250,000 miles. IIHS safety scores are strong across the board, which is why the RX remains a favorite for families. Now, the important detail: some early third-generation models, particularly 2010, had a few isolated complaints about dashboard cracking in hot climates and minor electronics. The most reliable RX 350 years of this generation are widely considered 2013 to 2015, after Lexus refreshed the styling and tech. Expect to pay between $16,000 and $27,000. With high reliability ratings and a refined, comfortable interior, the RX 350 remains the safe, smart choice for anyone who wants luxury that simply works. At number 2, the Lexus GX. And for buyers who want true off-road capability with Lexus refinement, this might be the single smartest used purchase on the entire list. Like the LX, the GX is built on a Land Cruiser Prado chassis, which means body-on-frame toughness underneath the luxury. There are 2 generations to know. The first, the GX 470, ran from 2003 to 2009 with that legendary 4.7-liter V8. The second, the GX 460, launched in 2010 with a 4.6-liter V8 producing 301 horsepower and a smooth 6-speed automatic. Both feature full-time four-wheel drive and a reputation for going anywhere. Fuel economy is modest, mid to high teens, but durability is the trade-off you're paying for. According to long-term reliability data, the GX is among the most dependable vehicles Lexus has ever produced in any class. These engines and transmissions routinely exceed 250,000 to 300,000 miles. Resale value reflects this. The GX holds its price better than almost any luxury SUV on the market, which is the clearest signal that buyers trust it. The GX 460 from 2014 onward is the sweet spot. It received a styling refresh, updated safety tech, and the latest infotainment, while keeping the bulletproof drivetrain. Pricing runs from about $18,000 for an early GX 470 to $40,000 for a clean late GX 460. If you want an SUV that combines genuine capability, luxury, and the best resale value in the segment, the GX is hard to beat. And coming in at number 1, the best used Lexus you can buy in 2026, the Lexus LS 430. This is the flagship that defined what Lexus stands for, and decades later, it is still considered by many to be the most reliable luxury sedan ever built. The LS 430 is powered by the legendary 4.3-liter 3UZ FE V8, producing around 290 horsepower, paired with a buttery smooth automatic transmission. But the numbers aren't the story. The story is how it was engineered. Lexus famously obsessed over silence, build quality, and longevity to a degree that has rarely been matched at any price. The result is a car that glides, isolates, and refuses to wear out. According to long-term reliability data and ownership surveys, the 3UZ FE V8 is one of the most durable engines ever placed in a passenger car. It is genuinely common to find LS 430s with 250,000 to over 300,000 miles still running like new with the original engine and transmission. The interior materials have aged better than cars built years later. This is mechanical over-engineering you simply cannot buy new today at this price. For those shopping used, the 2004 to 2006 model years are the most desirable, with updated styling, a more advanced transmission, and available adaptive suspension. The earlier 2001 to 2003 cars are still superb buys. The few things to budget for are age-related items, suspension bushings, and the occasional air suspension component on equipped models. The remarkable part is the price. Clean examples can be found from $10,000 to $20,000. It is the best used Lexus to buy, representing the pinnacle of the brand's commitment to durability, serenity, and value. If you want to understand why Lexus earned its reputation, this is the car that earned it. So there it is, the 7 best used Lexus models to buy. Whatever you choose, remember the most important rule. With a used Lexus, the specific model year and the service history matter just as much as the badge. Buy the best maintained example you can find in the years we named, and you'll own one of the smartest cars on the road. Which used Lexus do you own, and how has it been for you? Your experience might help another buyer make the right choice.